Good evening everyone, my name is Michael Samuntina, and so today to discuss the part of report and topic. So my topic for today is the three perspective in art criticism. So number one is art as imitation. This is perspective. See that art is good when it compares real life well. The focus is on realism, details, and how natural the artwork looks. So, mas maganda ang arts kapag parang totoong bagay, parang totoong pictures, or sa tingin mo parang ang arts na ginawa parang totoo, at kita ang galing ng isang artist at kanyang mga technique. So example, isang art na parang totoo na sobrang realistic. Kita ang shell ng apples, textures ng orange at shadow ng banana. So parang pwede mo siyang hawakan kahit drawing lang siya o isang painting na gusto mong hawakan. So number two is art as psychological and moral expression. So this is perspective. See that the value of art comments from as message and emotion. So hindi lang kailangan magiging realistic. Ang importante is importante is feelings, ideas at social issue na ipinapakita ng isang artwork. So example, ang painting of a person crying, hindi lang ito lungkot or tungkol sa mga sadness or lonely. Pwede itong magpakita ng mga depression, loneliness, or personal struggle. So even if simple or abstract drawing, so maganda pa rin dahil malakas ang emotional at message. So number three is art as spiritual experience. So this is perspective. See art as something that gives emotional or spiritual feelings. So arts can make you feel peaceful, inspire, or connect to something bigger like nature, life, or faith. So example, peaceful or landscape painting o mountain and sunset or sunrise. So kapag tinitignan mo ito, nakakaramdam ka ng mga, or makakalma ka kung makikita mo ito sa personal. So hope or reflection about life. Ito ang arts na hindi lang maganda sa mata, maganda din sa loob.